Hi everyone, welcome. Today we are going to be preparing a special Rosh Hashanah treat, and that is of course that delicious honey cake. I'm going to be showing you the recipe that I use. I've used this recipe hundreds of times before and I find it's really good. It is light, fluffy, it doesn't have a strong honey taste, but it works out very well. So we're going to go through this together. The first thing you need to do is turn on your oven to 180. So you want to get that done, preheated to 180. I've done that. Then you're going to get your sugar. Start off with 1 cup of sugar, pour that in, and you want 2 eggs. So I've checked mine already, pour them in. I've got my 2 eggs, my cup of sugar, and I'm going to just whisk those up until it's nice and creamy. There we go. Our eggs and sugar done. Then I'm going to go in with 1 cup of honey. 1 cup of oil and 3/4 of a cup of honey. Now, quick tip, I always spray my container beforehand so that the honey comes right out. Let's see if it works. Just about. So we've got in here our 1 cup of oil, 3/4 of a cup of honey, and then I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And again, we're going to mix. Okay, once all those ingredients are incorporated into your batter, you're going to go in with the flour. You want to sift your flour beforehand. That's a really important step because it helps to keep the cake fluffy, which is really important. So I've got in here 2.5 cups of sifted flour, and I'm going to pour that in slowly as I'm mixing. Okay, I've now mixed in my flour. You can see that's come out really nice. And the last ingredient, you want to get 1 cup of hot water and put some coffee in. I've used about 3 teaspoons of coffee. You want it to be a pretty strong coffee. So 1 cup of strong hot coffee going in. And another mix. Okay, I've finished mixing. As easy as 1, 2, 3. So the coffee is in, and that is it. I'm now going to get my tray. I'm going to put it inside, put it in the oven for about 45 to 60 minutes. I will be checking. Once it's firm to the touch, bounces back a bit, then I'll know it's ready. I'll take it out and enjoy. So Shana Tova, everyone. Thanks for joining me.